In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a formula to convert numbers to words in Excel. This is really useful when you're working with things like invoices, checks, or financial reports, where you don't just want the numeric value, you also want the amount written out in words. By default, Excel doesn't have a built-in function that converts numbers to text like 123, so we'll set up a quick solution you can reuse in any workbook. First, open the Excel file where you want to use this feature, or create a new blank workbook. It's easier to test this on a simple sheet before you move it into a more complex file. In one column, enter a few sample numbers you want to convert, such as whole amounts like 25, 1000, or 115,250. These will be your test values to make sure your formula is working correctly. Next, we're going to bring in a custom function, often called a user-defined function, that can translate numbers into words. This is done through Excel's built-in scripting feature called VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications. Don't worry if you've never used it before. You only have to set it up once. Go to the Developer tab at the top of Excel. If you don't see it, you can enable it through Excel's options by turning on the Developer ribbon. On the Developer tab, click Visual Basic. This opens the VBA editor in a new window. In that window, go to Insert, then choose Module. You'll see a blank white space where you can paste code. Here you would paste a pre-written function that converts numbers into words in English. Once the code is in place, close the VBA editor and return to your worksheet. From now on, this custom function will be available just like any other Excel function in that file. In a blank cell next to your first sample number, type the formula using your new function. For example, you might type an equals sign, then the function name, and then select the cell containing the number. Press Enter, and Excel will display that number written in words. You can then drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to other numbers in the column. Finally, review the results carefully. Check that the words match the numbers, especially for larger amounts and any tricky values with zeros. Once you're happy with it, you can use this function anywhere in your workbook to automatically convert numbers to words.